Hey everybody, I have a quick little haul for you. So I just got this package from a Cherry on Top and it has some kind of cool, unique things in it that I thought you guys may enjoy seeing. It also has some more Shimelle main character energy, you know. But I thought I'd do a real quick haul. It's really like a Mod Podge of things. So I'm going to start with these because I think these are really cool. And if you are a 49th and Market fan, you might want to head over to this Cherry shop and grab these. So these are storage sleeves. And they are the perfect size to store the laser cut element sheets from 49th and Market. So if you're like me, you don't like to pop out all of your laser cut die cuts right away. You kind of want to keep them in that nice little on the backer board because they are pretty delicate. But if you're also like me, it's really hard to keep them like organized and together, and then they start to fall apart. And so I always end up taking mine apart and having to put mine into like a smaller storage bag. But this is exactly, there's 3 in a pack, and I think I want like 2 more packs because they're really nice weight. They're a nice size. Another thing, if you are someone who has lots of thickers, these will fit a pack of thickers. So check this out. It just dawned on me because I have these thickers here that this envelope will fit a pack of thickers. Or maybe 6x12 sticker sheets too. Hold on, I have one of those too. Yep. Oh no, that one you'd have to cut off a little bit. Never mind. Anyway, I thought they were a really great size. They're really nice quality. And I got them for my 49th and Market laser cut embellishments. So they could all stay together on the backer sheet and be sturdy. As stated previously, oh, did you hear that thunder? We're getting some seriously like mad thunderstorms today. Okay, I'm gonna try to get through this unboxing. Hopefully we don't lose our power. We'll see how that goes. Another purple glitter thickers from Shimelle. These are my 3rd package of glitter thickers. Kind of obsessed with these. I also got some more sticker sheets. So for those of you that follow along, this month over at a Cherry on Top's YouTube channel, we are doing stickers. That's our theme. And so to kind of go with that theme, I did order a bunch of stickers. I ordered the parasol 6x12 stickers because I never got them. And I thought they would be really fun to kind of use with my stash. So my Maggie home stash, I've got tons and tons and tons of paper, but I am kind of running out of stickers and some of the embellishments. So I got the parasol stickers, and then I also got the Woodland Grove stickers. Now I don't have not even one bit of the Woodland Grove collection. So these stickers are going to be just to mix and match with my current paper, as opposed to buying the whole line and then having all the paper and everything. I don't need Maggie Home's paper, but I do need some more stickers. So I got those 2 to kind of go with my stash of Maggie Home's paper and mix and match. I also got the pattern paper pad from main character energy. I wasn't gonna get it. I had no intention of getting it, and then Shimelle did her little unboxing and showed all of these gorgeous papers with the foil, and I was like, oh yeah, I need that. And so I got it, which is fine because I'm going through that paper like crazy. I have 2 more videos coming up this weekend with this collection, and I feel like I am leaning heavily into paper layouts. I've already used an entire sheet of this, and I only bought 2, so now I have 2 more. And added bonus, it's foiled. So yep, really excited, happy to have that. Since as of now there are no more plans for Shimelle to have another collection with American Crafts, I am going to just soak it all in, buy it all, use as much of it as I want, and then add it to my stash because there's no guarantee there's going to be another line. So The other thing I got from Main Character Energy is the washi tape. I wasn't going to, initially, I wasn't going to get the washi tape, but as it turns out, I really like washi tape and I really like borders. And I use washi tape in my memory planner and I use washi tape in my planner. So my thought was that now I can use my Main Character Energy in my memory planner or my regular planner because I have gorgeous washi to match it. So we have the pretty gold foil. Whoops. Butterflies. Awesome stripe. It's pretty floral. The rainbow with the clouds. That's good for this day. Love this. Kind of purple polka dot. Never not use purple polka dot. And the little stars. And I'm actually going to just take these and pop them right into my washi bowl that sits right here on my desk. Okay, then I got some Doodlebug stickers. Oh dear, it's still thundering. Let's get through this quick. I got some Doodlebug stickers. Again, my thought process for this was because Cherry on Top there and in Rediscover Your Stash. So in our Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group, the product focus for August is stickers. Technique Tuesday at a Cherry on Top is we're focusing on how to use stickers. And so I thought that these would be so cute to get. I also have my Paw Your Way into Our Heart Hop. So I didn't get any of the paper, none of the embellishments. I just got some of these cute little stickers. I thought they were adorable. I thought they would be perfect to pair with some more stash products. And then when I was looking at all the Doodlebug things, I needed these books. Because how adorable are these books? Like, I needed these books. I have no clue what I'm going to use them for, but they're super cute. Okay, so got those. I grabbed some blades for my X-Acto knife because it's not cutting as nice as it used to. And X-Acto blade knives are always just a good, steady thing to have. So, as some of you may know, if you have been around my channel for a long time, I do enjoy a good wax seal. I have a furnace and I have some wax and I have the little spoony thing somewhere in my room. I tried to find it before I started this unboxing, but I don't know exactly where I stowed it away to, which is kind of scary. I know it's here. It's here somewhere. I didn't get rid of it or anything, but I'm not sure exactly where it is. Anyway, I wanted to get back into doing the wax seals because they were really fun when I did them before and I really liked them. So there's a couple products on the market that I think are amazing that are new. One of them is this one from Spellbinders. This is called Wax Seal Stamp Adhesive Circles. So this is to put on the back of your wax seals, which is awesome because back in the day when I did them last time, this product didn't exist and it was a little bit hard to try to figure out how to get them to stick good. Tape doesn't really work well. I think I ended up using tear it tape, but like tape runner tape, it doesn't want to stick to that. So really excited, so happy to have them. I'm so glad wax seals are like making a comeback, as it were. Yes, Cooper, it is thundering. I got some tea lights. Cherry on Top has these tea lights. They're 3 for like $1, I think. Unscented tea light candles, and I know that the one that's in my furnace right now is pretty low, so I grabbed an extra set of that. Then I got this cute honeybee stamp wax melts. These are birthday rainbow wax melts. Wax melts. Oh, brother. Oh, I can't talk. And I thought those colors were adorable and pretty. And I thought they would look really, really cute with the Shimelle collection. So, right? Wax melts for the win. And thinking that I could use the fun wax melts with the stamper, with my Shimelle collection, I bought a new stamper. So this one's pretty simple. This is from Honeybee Stamps too, but it just has just a really simple little heart, and I thought that would be so cute. So that is the fun stuff from a Cherry on Top I'm going to be playing with during the month of August. I think that's it. I don't know if I'm getting a cherry box this month or not. I haven't really made a decision on that, but I better get to it because otherwise I won't have time to work with it. So, all right, everyone, you have a wonderful Tuesday, and I'll see you later. Bye.